That.
You guys see everything else, man?
As if you don't come today. It's it.
Oh, the flames.
The SkyWheel will rise 175 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both.
Yeah, guys, we're looking here. Yeah, feel awkward too, you know. Yeah, guys. Backside.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so
Take care, guys.
Yes.
blessings.
That's what we did as well.
Yes, greetings, my beautiful people. You don't know, it's yours truly, King's Wicked Vlogs in the place. Yeah. Today, guys, you know we're heading out to Niagara Falls. Yeah. So we just stay here, make a quick stop at one gas station.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, the matata.
That is
Yeah, man. That is it, man.
cool, man.
And the way to Niagara.
Yeah.
Know the thing, huh?
That is it.
Cool, the matata.
Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Road to 20K. Yeah, man. So we out here without fear. Stay tuned, man.
Right onto Talbot Street East, Ontario 3 East. Signs for Fort Erie. Continue on Ontario 3 East for 38 kilometers. Continue on Ontario 3 East for 38 kilometers.
38 kilometers.
This is a church. Anglican church, yeah.
Yeah.
Click the camera right there. We've got this nice little town, guys. Welcome to her. See there? Cayuga. Maybe back. You know. Cayuga Street. Yeah. Nice little town, yeah. Yeah. Heading to the famous Niagara Falls. Yeah. Gas station is named Pioneer. Yeah. Think I wanna in a mixing board we have Pioneer, guys. We're out here today, as you can see, weather, but still out here doing it without fear. So guys, I'm there at Canada. I'm not even get to eat no deer.
Oh, dear.
Any of my subscribers they knock any deer, just make me get peace, yeah? I love it, you know, guys. Although I never eat sample it, but they say it tastes same like goat meat. So any of you guys catch none, we can just, you know? Timothy.
You want something? You want something?
No.
You alright?
Yeah. We are head to Niagara, guys. Then would I say Niagara on the lake, you know? Alright, guys, we're there in one nice little town going. We're heading to Niagara. Look at that. Yeah, man. So we hope we now get the quality, everything. Yes, we're taking a nice little drive here, guys. Heading out. Yeah, down in the big city down there, so I don't know if Niagara down there name or peeps. Yeah. You want to big up my loyal people, them always a subscribe and share my channel. Yeah. And big up my driver today, I want to go on the video still but yeah, we there peeps. Yeah man. So it's a highway vibes. We have all our next bridge in with it too. How are your name again, my bro?
Oh, Ronsa.
Ronsa?
Yeah, Ronsa.
Alright. He said here Ronsa the people.
Yeah, big dance
Yeah,
up on
man.
Jamaican.
Ronsa, sir. Yeah, circle out and see what is what. Then say over them place I just mind your own business and don't overlook nobody. If you overlook them, then say, yeah, look them hard and sickness. So we just go through on a high vibes today, guys. They say she addressed slow. Hey God, but however, stay tuned for this nice drive. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, underneath. Okay. So guys, we're heading to Niagara. So we just go and show a little of this, little of that. And I mean, as you can see, a lot of weather outside. Yeah. Whole lot of weather. So them big eyes something that would then generate, correct?
I didn't used to be like a bridge. It's supposed to be a bridge.
Oh, underneath us, so the boat then go.
Canal, yeah, like well on canal. Yeah.
You could that deal. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Big boat can go underneath bridge. You see that?
It's a lift bridge.
Cool, man. Yeah, so stay tuned for this nice drive. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Exit the roundabout onto Lundy's Lane. Continue on Ontario 20 for 9 kilometers.
Both skirts, yeah.
Be flowers there and then something like flowers farm out that. guys, we're heading to Niagara Falls now. Family restaurant over there.
We're in Niagara Falls. We're in
Oh,
this
in
town.
Okay. In the town of Niagara. Yeah. That is it.
And Lundy's Lane.
Town here. As I can see a lot of Indian living out here, guys. Oh God. Green set. Forest there. Forest there two sides and it just there in the middle. So.
Maybe it's supposed to make a right turn down here or something. Yo, Marlon. What you say? Yeah, man. We're in Niagara Falls, but I think we're up on the Lundy's Lane. Where are you? You park up?
Yeah, I am close to the Ferris wheel right now.
You're close to where? The falls?
The Ferris wheel.
The Ferris wheel. Oh, what they say there?
Yeah. Yeah, what time are you there?
We're on Lundy's Lane. I think Lundy's Lane run by the wheel. So you find a parking space. What are you gonna do? You can still drive around, or you stop?
No, I parked already.
Okay, me look.
I go in the parking lot. There's a parking lot there, $15 for all day.
Oh yeah. All right, we'll try to find the Ferris wheel and come over there.
Okay.
All right. Okay, later.
Yeah.
Dollar trees, dollar store that one.
Yo.
Red Lobster. Yo, cool that deal.
You ever got it? Red Lobster. You have nice seafood over there.
Yeah,
You like seafood.
Mm-hmm.
You can't come up this way still. You see the Ferris wheel there. Oh, we get to it. That's about $15 for the day. I'm going to get a bus pass.
Yeah. So where Ferris wheel where you say?
If you look to the left,
That
you
I
see a
am
little round thing. You can't see it right now. But
another wheel further up. Oh yeah, let me see.
yeah, so that's a red in there.
In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Thank you. No science. The highway there. PW. That's the only way I'll leave it there. Go that way. Another shot. The casino. Where's the Ferris wheel though? I'll get to that. I got construction.
Going on.
You have arrived.
Thank you. We can eat. Can't come back up this way. We'll go Red Lobster for lunch. Right there. That tower is interesting. Can't see the far from this. The right way.
So
We're going to get here. Where's the damn Ferris wheel?
you see what is underneath that is like somebody with mother or something. Underneath blanket.
The homeless man.
The Ferris wheel right is up, right? I asked him that. $15 parking.
Probably.
The deal.
Yeah man. Yeah guys, so we're doing our car park.
We can park here too. So. Hey Marlon.
So yes guys, we got beautiful Niagara. Yeah. So we're heading over to where the Ferris wheel is, as you can see it over there. Yeah man, the Ferris wheel is right over there guys. Yes guys, look at that. Look at that guys.
Yeah, last. So we have it. No, you go. You
Guys, so today we're going for my first time. I'm going into a Ferris wheel, guys. It's so scary already. I'm gonna reach inside it yet, guys. But let's go. Let's go. It's going up and over and up and over. Guys, just pray for me. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a sample. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hope for the best, you know what I mean? First experience, guys. So yes, guys, about to go.
How many people in one compartment?
Yeah, so let's go see all this team.
Don't dare, man.
Yeah. Hey,
Don't dare in there like a fast.
yeah.
Me and the general.
That
know the
is
thing, Kuna Matata.
Guys, yeah, I do it for football time. I'm not reaching there yet. Yeah, so yeah, man, I'll take you guys on the journey. Yeah, so hope for the best. Pray for the best, you know. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, as you can see. Yes, guys, I just hope I make it up nice and proper. I don't vomit or nothing. But every day I work, guys. It's like, you know, you just watch it and go up and I work. Yeah, but I go check it out, see what it's all about, you know. Yeah, man. Nice ride out. Look at that, guys. Running on a wheel. Yeah, guys. Backside.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so as you can see,
Here, guys.
Yes.
blessings.
That's smoke weed in it, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Good China.
Strong. Find the door open. Yeah. Guys.
I think the farm will fast.
Welcome to the Niagara SkyWheel. For your safety, please remain seated and do not lean against the gondola doors. For your convenience, we've provided 4 illuminated control buttons in the ceiling. The red button will alert the operator to check the gondola to see if there's a problem. The white button is for interior lights, and the blue button will turn audio on and off.
Really quick, man. Get one man, Billy. Something wrong, man. Music.
Want me to get towel away?
Ah, man.
You want to turn off the music? You don't want to turn
The
it off?
SkyWheel will rise 175 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both.
Yeah, guys. Going up in the ear. Yeah, feel awkward too, you know. Yeah, man. Feel real awkward. Yeah. Up here. So, look at that, guys. You see what I'm going? You see what I'm going, guys?
See this? And the dinosaur.
They know if they create things to make money.
Frankenstein.
Yeah, oh, what the hell? That.
Yes, everything else, man.
Water. See the water there on the glass, guys.
Get it back. Yo. No,
We're still in it.
still late.
We're almost at the top.
Huh? Yeah, we went down already.
We're just going up.
But all right, you're gonna do. All the flips. Let's stop. Maybe we can see this.
Okay. Yeah, the blurriness. That show blurry box line.
It's blurry now.
Yeah, it's very much blurry through the water. And oh, me can't see the Canada.
The boat them.
Yeah. See that, guys? Pretty much blurry.
Open the door so you can see.
Alright, we there.
The guys, you can see the beauty of the town.
It's not the size, I think it's the size of my crane.
I think it's high.
It's showing you to it, you know. Look at that, guys. Just see how much guys,
Hey.
look at that. Guys, it feels really weird though, but you know. Let's see.
Better.
How much time we are growing that is.
Look at this view, look at this view. Come here, look.
Oh my God.
Oh, Jalo. Guys, we say that show blurry, that show
We know
blurry.
you zoom in, zoom out, zoom back out. I think it's zoomed in,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
But it's still, it's a show nice still, you know. It's through the water there and there. Hey, me said the lake does pretty differently, brother.
It's a Niagara River.
Oh, the river that is.
Niagara River.
Awesome. What a beautiful place.
I think that's where you get the ticket for the boat. It's a zip line.
Yeah.
No, zip line. That's a zip line. Sorry. So you don't go on the zip line.
Make I today.
We have iPhone or Samsung.
Me? Samsung. at the airport in Niagara.
Do some videos too. Some videos. Yeah, but
Freedom?
Yeah.
Outside.
keeping it jiggy.
You know.
Down here at the big Niagara Falls.
Yeah, man. No,
Good
so,
place, you know.
Yeah, man, we're enjoying the ride, you know.
Yeah,
That
man, place to
is
be, you know.
DJ Sweet, a
place
whole
to
lot,
come and, yeah, man, well and tight. God. Yeah, man, nice view still, guys, me not lie. You know, the water is very much nice, but it a show blurry through the glass.
But we sure good. I think we'll come out still. We'll go down there anyways.
Yeah,
You
man.
can just put a small clip of it.
That is it.
We're near, I guess, into that.
Yeah, man.
That. Ever watch it, Panny?
Man, so Mr. Marvin, what do you think?
Yes, it's a good look, man. Out with the crew, you know.
Call it
It's like,
Yeah, DJ Wicked.
DJ's wicked,
Yeah.
you know.
Live and direct
Yeah, the bars outside.
from Niagara Falls,
Yes,
Canada.
Believe.
No joke.
Yeah, man.
It's gonna come one more time, I think.
Listen.
Yes, my peeps. Stick and stay, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe
Yeah.
and give us the likes.
Yeah.
Funny, eh?
That
Are you,
is
are you,
it. Yeah, guys, as you can see, it was a lovely trip. Lovely trip, guys. So, yeah. We're gonna exit. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're going through. It was a lovely vibes.
Nora?
Oh dear, outside. Come
Woo! Yeah, man, we're going on to Niagara Falls right now, as you can see, guys. Yeah, very much beautiful, guys. Man, no joke. Very beautiful place. So we are heading down to the falls itself, guys. You know what I mean? The auntie the house. You know the auntie the house, guys. Can you imagine that? Yo! Obviously, I don't got them place so nice. Look at that. Yeah. Down to Niagara Falls. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
And cast yourselves with Harry Potter, Gandalf, and Frodo.
The